With RBFCU's VehicleVantage lending program, we offer options that provide you tremendous value while solving your greatest problem, finding a monthly payment that fits your budget. Let's see how it works. Here's the situation. Vehicle prices are rising as new car models evolve faster than ever. A lot of people often make their purchase decisions based on the monthly payment from their financing options. Their main concern is fitting the payments into their budget. RBFCU has two ways to finance a vehicle: a conventional loan and VehicleVantage. With conventional loans, many people continue extending terms to lower the monthly payment enough to meet their budget. They end up tied to a loan for years, even longer than they want the vehicle, leaving them very little flexibility. Or they rely on the value of the vehicle to pay back the loan balance at some point before the end of the loan term, so they can trade into a new vehicle sooner. That means they need to pay close attention to the time it takes to pay down the loan enough so that the vehicle will be worth more than what they owe. This is also known as being in a positive equity position. VehicleVantage is a type of residual-based financing. It's an alternative option to manage the low monthly payment that's desired by most. With VehicleVantage, a portion of the loan is deferred to the end of the loan and is due at the end of the term as a lump sum. The main benefit is that this structure reduces the monthly payment. Let's say you choose a VehicleVantage loan with a 3-year termination point, and the vehicle is worth more at that 3-year point than what you owe on the loan. What can you do with that? You can trade it in at a dealership and benefit from the positive equity you have. But what if it's worth less than $16,500 at the termination point? Let's say the vehicle is only worth $14,000. Then what? Then you'd have to eat a loss of $2,500. Not too good. It solves the low monthly payment problem, but also creates a lot of uncertainty. You'd wish you could just walk away from it. Well, now you can. Our VehicleVantage lending program creates a win-win for you by guaranteeing the future value of the vehicle at the time of the financing. RBFCU will say your vehicle will be worth $16,500 in 3 years, a guaranteed future value at the end of the loan. We call it the walk-away option. You win no matter what. If you're in the positive equity position, you can reap that benefit. If you're in a negative equity position, you can return the vehicle and walk away and start over with a clean slate instead of rolling that deficit into a new loan and staying on a negative equity treadmill. Eligible vehicles for VehicleVantage are new and used vehicles up to 5 years old, and you can finance between 24 to 72 months. Residual value is established based on the term of the loan using industry-approved guidelines similar to leasing. Monthly payments are lower than conventional financing. The program essentially lets you pay for only the portion of the car that you'll actually use. We know you'll respond to financing options that match your budget, protect you from vehicle depreciation, and help you avoid the negative equity treadmill. That's why we started the VehicleVantage lending program. You can count on RBFCU to always provide the best financing options in the industry to keep our members satisfied.